Hi everyone, it has been 2 years 4 months since I did the first hair restoration for my patient who I'm doing a second hair restoration today. Okay, so the first one was results is fantastic. His patient also admit that the best thing that is done is actually invest in himself by getting hair back. Alright, so this is one of the ways that you really come to a medical doctor to do the procedure and to understand the whole process of hair loss and get the best results within your budget, and then you don't waste too much time looking for other kinds of treatment that may not work. Today it is a patient who did with me 2 years 4 months. So today is coming in for touch up and giving him more density. So the first hair restoration was conservative because patient didn't have hair here. Now that he has so much hair, the second hair restoration we look into more aesthetic look. So giving him a lower temporal angle here, refine the little bit on the hairline, and then the hair is wet now. You can see fill up density here. He wants density at the crown area, he wants more density at the mid scalp area. Of course, when we did the first hair restoration, we were focusing more on the front area. Was this area, this all the transplanted hair, you know. Look how beautiful it is and how natural it looks. So today with more density, with the donor area putting here, it is looking at more permanent results for the second hair restoration. I'd like to thank my patient for choosing Dr. Inder and the team again to do his second hair restoration. Thank you.